In 1963, me and a partner started Paragon. If you do a good job, if you're competitively priced, and if you take care of your customers, of course, which is the big deal, then you will do business. That is the business that I've always liked the most.
I had worked for a large company for the first 10 years of my career. Definitely smaller company, more entrepreneurial.
What I liked about Paragon, it was a small company, and being able to have that personal direct impact on the future growth and development of operations.
I love the sense of family that we have. All of my coworkers feel like a second family to me.
It's a tight-knit group that is all moving in the same direction.
The reason people want to come here is because they're going to have a chance for advancement, and they're going to learn best practices.
Neither one of us came into this position with any previous experience and have worked our way up to management levels.
I think Paragon does a good job about helping you reach that goal, at least in being successful at it.
Ultimately, when you empower someone within their business setting, they are a happier person. We would be remiss as a company if we did not focus on that as a priority.
We are constantly learning. There's always classes available, and I feel like I have several mentors I can reach out to if I ever have a question.
We have an unbelievably broad interchange of ideas from people.
They do a really good job at listening to a lot of the people that are working on site. I think they make it pretty easy to keep that communication line open.
It's an open door policy.
Yeah, that's one way of saying it.
One of the big things that I love about Paragon is actually our ownership. He goes out of his way to make anybody that he talks to feel welcome and feel respected.
It's working with an owner that believes in empowering us to make the best business decisions. It's the residents that I've known that live at our apartment community for my 13 years plus another 10 years before that.
It's not like just apartments, it's like homes. I've been there for 3 years now. I've seen people who've come in single, get married and have kids, and you know what I mean, like transfer from a 1-bedroom to a 2-bedroom because their family's growing, kids from elementary school getting up to high school, and that's the goal, is making that a pleasant experience, that's impactful.